for Hollywood.
Here's your E on the B with D. Daniels.
Hey, welcome to E on the B. Call me on the stapler phone. Listen, it's powered by Wade Chicks Chrysler of Culpeper. Check it out, celebrating their Dodge event all month long. Spring into action. Get any great deal on the new Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram online at ChryslerofCulpeper.com, where the shit happens, baby. Okay, listen, finally, a Justin Bieber crazy headline may not be true. What? I know, I'm excited. The new JB rumor is that he fathered a child years ago when he was just so young and innocent, when he was 15, that he fathered a child. Anyway, his rep says, not true, absolutely ridiculous. Until we see the paternity test, right? I mean, seriously. Okay, at least we know these idol rumors are true for now, anyway. So Mariah Carey is out, right? Randy Jackson is out. We don't know anything about Keith Urban, but Nicki Minaj, she says she's out now. That's right. And she wants to work on her music and likely her outfits. Ah, Nicki Minaj, I love you. Okay, and People Magazine's Sexiest Man Alive, you know the one, Channing Tatum. So he's gonna be in the new issue of Cosmo, and he says that inside he's really a fat kid. What? Channing, stop it with the crazy talk. The only fat thing about you is your bank account. Ha! Woo! Get all your entertainment news, B1015.com, keyword E. Mwah.